It's the Gillinger Falls. Gillinger, Norway. Guys, yan, kabilaan yung falls ng Gillinger. Yan. Napakaganda. Yan kami galing. Yan. May isang falls ng Gillinger. Then the other one is here. Yan. Ganda ng God's creation. Iba talaga si Lord. That is August 27, 2024 dito sa Gillinger, Norway. Thank you and God bless for